Possible successors to Horner at Red Bull, who's in the running? The Formula One season promises big thrills even before the races begin, with a series of twists and turns behind the scenes. In addition to Lewis Hamilton's bombshell move to Ferrari, rumors surrounding Christian Horner's future at Red Bull have stirred up the paddock, with speculation about his possible departure due to controversial behavior. Although no official moves regarding Horner have been confirmed yet, the German magazine Auto Motor and Sport is already analyzing potential successors to the role of team principal at Red Bull. Among the speculated names, some surprising options stand out. Jonathan Wheatley, current sporting director of Red Bull Racing, emerges as a solid possibility to take over the position left by Horner, should there be a change in leadership. Pierre Wache, the team's technical director, also emerges as a viable option, bringing with him vast experience in the F1 backstage. Another name that has been speculated is David Coulthard, former driver and current ambassador of the Red Bull Racing brand. His close connection to the team and his strategic vision could make him a strong candidate to lead the team. However, one of the most intriguing options is Oliver Oakes, a successful businessman and former driver who currently runs his own racing team, Hitech GP. His youth and experience in the automotive world could be valuable attributes to lead Red Bull Racing to success. Additionally, figures like Mattia Binotto and Otmar Safnauer, with a history in Formula One as team principals, cannot be ruled out as possible candidates for the role at Red Bull Racing, even if they're not the most obvious choices. With so many possibilities at play, speculation about the future of Red Bull Racing continues to fuel debate among fans and F1 experts. Who do you think would be the best successor to Christian Horner at the team? Share your opinion in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates on the exciting world of Formula One.